Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. Today we are going to be planning out the week of December 13th through the 19th. Before we get started planning, I actually want to mention a giveaway that I am doing. I will be doing this one on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on there, go ahead and head over there and find me. It's the same as here, Plan with Brittany, but I am going to be giving away a set of freebies. So these are from Planner Kate, Simply Smith stickers, and Orange Umbrella Co. Brand new samplers, or like little freebies that you just get when you order from their shops. I just had a ton of them, and I figured since the new year is coming, there could be a new planner out there that doesn't have many stickers, and this will definitely get you started in your planning. So yeah, go ahead and go over there. I think I'm going to do it soon, like Monday or Tuesday. You'll be seeing this on Monday, so either today or tomorrow it will be going up, so look for that post. But we are just going to go ahead and get started with the planning. So let's see here. Monday, I do already have a couple stickers pulled. New week, so we are just going to do school. These are from Simply Smith stickers. I really like marking when my kids have school and when they're out of school, so that is what I'm going to do first. And then we will be doing the trash. I have to remember to take that out. So sometimes I like to put little washi here just to mark that, like so. And then there should be a trash day sticker you can put right there, and then just got a little icon. Could probably mark that over. My kids are upstairs playing. We have hardwood floors in this new house, so it's probably a little loud. I apologize for that. Trash, and then I will be going to the gym. These little gem stickers are from Simply Smith stickers as well. She pretty much color coordinates with anything, so you can just buy one sheet and be good for a while. So for the rest of the day, I have to work, and then my son has, what color do I want to do? Pink. Let's do some green. My son has a basketball game, my oldest son. So we're going to work there. Trying to use these tweezers. It's still not my thing, but I think it'll be better. So work, and then like I said, basketball game. Like so. I am going to use this little game day script from Planner Kate, and then I'll just write the information in that little box. I think that looks good. All right, so for Tuesday, same thing here. Go to school, and then my daughter has a breakfast with Santa. So I'm gonna see if I can put a half box here and a label for my work, because I go to work while she's at school on this day. That's fine. I mean, it's crooked, but it's fine. So we're going to do preschool. I'm just going to put this right here, and then she's actually having a breakfast with Santa that my mom is taking her to, or my mom's going. So they're going to have some pancakes and take pictures with Santa. And then I am going to go to work, and I will just pick her up from her house when I'm done. And then Tuesday evening is kind of busy. I have bar and dance, and then we have a basketball game. So let's put this down first. So my husband is going to be going to this. I wonder if we can fit two there. What do you think? Is that what that's made for? I don't know. Where's the other sheet? We should have more. Yeah, let's do this white one. I mean, it's going to be tight, but I think it's doable. Let me move this one up. Or do I want to put it, hang on. Let's do it on a washi. I feel a little bit more comfortable with that. So there's that. For bar and dance. And then for Braden's game. So again, planner Kate for this. And then I had Simply Smith stickers. This is a custom, so dance there. And then bar first. There, I think that'll work out. And let me put down when my husband works. Actually, he works Monday and is actually off that day, so that'll help. Oh yeah, that's right. He's going to the game, and I'm going to have the other two with me at dance and bar. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's move on to Wednesday. All right, so for Wednesday, it is just school. And then I need to go to the gym. I think I want to might put washi underneath that. And then I might have to do the other one too. I just like the look of washi. It just fills the space a little bit more. Oh my gosh, that was awful. That was an awful cut. There we go. So gym there. Go ahead and pick this one up. Maybe. And let's hold this down this time. It's not too bad. I know some people have like the little cutters. I'm just scared if I would get that I would actually go through the paper, and I don't want to deal with that. Okay, and then I don't think we have anything for Wednesday night. My husband is off. Actually, we did it a couple weeks ago. We went rollerblading and like roller skating for the first time. So maybe we will do that. I bet, let's just mark that down. I would like to do that again. It hurt. It's not like riding a bike. I was so clenched up in fear of falling that like my whole body hurt the next day. But I didn't actually fall. And I did get a little better as the night progressed. But we will probably go with Steve and Monica for that. So that'll be good. All right, let's move on to Thursday. All right, so this is going to be another pretty busy day. So start with school like normal. And then, what did I put? Hat box. She has a Christmas like celebration. So it's her little Christmas party. So she has like pajama day. So we will put that in there, maybe. Preschool script. And then I have this little doodle girl from Simply Smith stickers. I thought was cute. And then I would just go to work. If this fits there, I don't know. It's looking a little tight. That's fine. So I will go to work. And then we have a basketball game, a Christmas concert, and my husband is off. So he will probably take Braden to the basketball game, and I will probably take Mackenzie and Kaysen to the Christmas concert. So let's see if I can do both of these here. I know it's going to be tight, but they kind of both deserve a, half box. So, I mean, really, technically, I could probably do, I need like a 3/4 box. They don't have, let's see. It's fine. We'll make do. little tiny space there. That's fine. All right, so the game is first, so he will have to leave first. And then Kaysen's little Christmas concert. I have this little Nightingale Paper Co. little Winston there. I think it's adorable. And my husband is off. So that is it for Thursday. All right, so for Friday is just school there, and then I'll probably go to the gym again. Oh, as of Monday this week, I have lost 5.4 pounds, so that's exciting. I still haven't, I don't know if you guys follow my daily, like my daily duo posts on Instagram, but haven't vaped, which I smoked for like a little over a year, and I haven't done that. I've been doing low carb, so I've been doing pretty good. So what am I doing here? Working. That's what I'm doing. I guess if I have to. So I'm going to do that there. And then what else? I know we have Payday on Friday and basketball practice. So let's go ahead and use, I'm going to use a pink one or a green. Let's use pink. So that'll be for Payday. She has a little script here. And I got dog hair everywhere. There it is. Payday, and then basketball practice. I think it'll fit on this one. Oh, do I want to do a thicker one? Let's do, I don't know what I want to do. This is fine. All the pink. And if I can predict the future, I'm going to assume we're going to have a child at our house this night that does not belong to me. He seems to spend about every other weekend here. So he will probably be at our house. So there is a basketball practice. I think that is it for Friday. Let's see, does he, yes, he works. So even better. Don't have to be quiet because he has to work. All right, I think that is it for Friday. All right, for the weekend here, I'm going to use a smaller thing of washi here. And I don't have to work this weekend, so I plan on sleeping in a little bit. So I'm going to use this little one from Nightingale Paper Co. again. He's just sleeping. And then this little sleep in script. And then I'm going to attempt, if it will work, I don't know. But it comes with these little 3 checklists here, but I only need 2. So I'm going to see, and probably mess up, if I can just cut it or rip it. I don't know. We'll see. Probably won't be super crisp, but that's fine. But I do need to get my groceries done and my laundry folded and put away. And then that evening, what do I have to do? I think we're just gonna film maybe. I don't have a lot to do. Let's use, so I'm going to take this and make a little bit bigger of a box because it does take a while. And then I'm going to, see, I'm just making all my own stuff here. If this is straight, I don't know. I don't know. There we go. So it's not like a full box, but kind of a big box. And then I will put for filming there because on Saturday and Sunday we have Christmases. So in the morning, what do I want to put? I'll probably just use, all right, stay with me here. We're gonna use some thicker washi, not the bottom washi. And we're gonna use this, and then we're gonna layer it with one of these. Okay, and then I'm going to put this little Christmas cup here. I don't know where I got it. And then I will put Who's Christmas. So I'm going to do that again. Now these are going to be like all day things. So this one is like at 11 and this one's at 1. We'll probably go to this one around 10. Stay there till about 12:30. And then we'll be at this one all night for sure. I'm going to do that again just to add a little bit more in the background. There. And then I have another one of those little cups. That's fine. And let's see, he is off Saturday and Sunday, I think, yes. All right, let me clean this up, write things in, and then I will be back with the finished spread. Alrighty, so this is how everything turned out. I did add a little steps script there, a date night script from Simply Smith Stickers. This little, what the heck is that? This little swoosh heart thing is from this little sampler from Saucy Stickers Co. And then I added one up here too from Panda Burn Design. They just have the rose gold. I kind of went with that on these little dividers and some here. But besides that, I think you are here for everything else. But I think that looks really good. I like how busy it is. So it will definitely keep us a busy week this week. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram and look out for the giveaway where you could win all of these. And like I said, there's multiples. There's just literally everything. There's a couple where you could do your folders, binders if you keep them, and there's just a ton of stuff that you could use for setup or just your weekly layout. There is going to be more giveaways on here, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.